Southwest Airlines. We sure appreciate you. Happy Friday morning and welcome aboard.
Good morning, friends. Good morning, friends. So, just arrived in Nashville. This morning I boarded a plane in Phoenix. I'm here to pick up a trailer and our Jeep. I'm gonna load a bunch of stuff and drive it back to Phoenix. Usually I like to go fast and get it done and over with. I'm gonna take my time, bring you guys with, and we can kind of check out some spots that are on the way. So, let's go load all this stuff and then we'll be on our way. So, let's go. Well, we got everything packed up, ready to go. I'm gonna go back to the hotel for a couple hours and then get some sleep, and we'll be taking off here tonight. So let's go. So I'm driving, I see a sign that says Ozark, right? I'm currently standing in the city of Ozark, population 3,000. I thought I would stop by, check it out for myself, and see what the hype was all about. So far it's pretty small, not much going on, just normal people living normal lives, you know, mowing lawn, fishing, a lot of fishing. Well, I'm gonna keep exploring, see what the city has to offer, and we'll continue on the road. Hey, what's going on, guys? Hey, look, so I got stuck in this crazy traffic jam, as you can see behind me. Got off the exit because I was just waiting there, and I happened to stumble upon this thing. It's called Cadillac Ranch. It's like 10 cars like dug in the ground, and then you can just kind of spray paint them and do whatever you want. It's really cool because this traffic jam's like pretty bad, man. I was sitting there for an hour and like there was like nothing going on, so I just took the exit, and then this is what I ended up doing. So it's pretty cool. I got a bunch of drone shots and a bunch of photos. Hopefully it turned out, and hopefully this voice thing turns out as well. So, and hopefully you can see me. But yeah, it's kind of a small little update. I'm still probably like 10 hours away from Phoenix. But we're going to keep on trucking and just keep on going. What's up, guys? Hey, back on the road, just exploring. Found these cool little trails on the way to my destination. So this is called Highland Trail. Bunch of little trails around it. You can explore and do whatever you want here. Crazy thing about Arizona, a lot of people don't know this, but there's a lot of forest out here. A lot of people think it's just rocks, sand, desert, but it's not. It's actually really beautiful here. In the winter it snows, really cool. So it's really nice. I'm gonna keep exploring, just kind of check out the trails. I'm not gonna go into really deep in there because I don't really have any of my hiking stuff, but I'm just gonna go check it out, keep exploring. It's probably my last check-in until I get to Arizona, my destination, but I'll catch you guys over there, all right? What's going on, guys? I'm finally home. It's been a ride. this time, like I said, I wanted to take my time and just kind of, you know, check out stuff I'd never seen, and that I did. I found some cool spots, and it was just nice to just take my time and just kind of see this beautiful place that we live in. It's been some good times. I'm tuning out, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. All right, until next time, peace.